In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Focus Task in Sunsama. This feature is designed to help you maximize your productivity by allowing you to zero in on one task at a time without any distractions. Let's dive right in and see how this can enhance your workflow. First, we'll begin by entering Focus Mode. This mode is a powerful tool that provides a full-screen, minimalist view of the single task you want to concentrate on. It cleverly hides your calendar and any other non-essential elements in your workspace, so you can fully devote your attention to the task at hand. To start, simply click on the task in your daily list that you are ready to work on. Alternatively, if you prefer using a keyboard shortcut, just press the F key and you'll enter focus mode instantly. This streamlined view really sets the stage for productivity, allowing you to keep your mind clear of digital clutter. Once you're in focus mode, the next step is to start the task timer. This timer is critical for tracking your actual work time and helps you commit to focusing entirely on the job. To kick off the timer, press the spacebar on your keyboard, either while you're inside focus mode or when your task is selected. You can also click the play button next to the task's time field if you prefer using the mouse. As soon as the timer begins, it starts counting up, capturing the actual time you spend on the task. You'll see the running time displayed both in the focus bar, if you have that active, and right there on the task itself. One of the great features of Sunsama's timer is that it's often configured to align with the Pomodoro technique, which breaks work into focused intervals, such as 25 minutes of work, followed by a short break. This method can be incredibly effective in keeping your focus sharp and reducing fatigue. Now that the timer is running, it's time to dive into your work. With focus mode, you can truly hone in on the task. Use the notes section to jot down any thoughts, track your progress, or set reminders for yourself. If your task includes subtasks, make a point of checking them off as you complete them. It's a great way to build momentum and stay motivated. An added advantage of Sunsama is its integration with tools like Slack. It can automatically update your Slack status to say something like, "In focus mode, back in 30 mins," protecting you from interruptions and letting others know when you'll be available again. If at any point you need a pause, just press the spacebar or click the pause button to take a break. Finally, once you've completed the task, it's time to wrap things up. Stop the timer by pressing the spacebar or hitting the pause button once more. Then, mark the task as complete by clicking the checkmark circle next to the task's title, or swiftly press the C key. With these simple steps, you'll enhance your focus and make the most out of your productive hours using Sunsama's Focus Task feature. Give it a try and experience the difference it makes in your workflow.